Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove green screen or background in Photoshop. We start by opening Photoshop with our image and checking that the layer is not locked. For the first method, we are going to go to the selection menu and then click on color range. Here, we are going to activate the option D for localized color clusters, adjust the fuzziness, and click on the Add Eyedropper. Then we are going to click on the green color of our image until that color is completely selected. Finally, click on Invert and apply the changes with OK. We will see that after this, a selection is made of our object minus the background. We recommend you improve the selection, and to do this, we can choose a selection element to see the Select and Mask option. Inside here, we will be able to adjust the different selection parameters to improve it. Once you have it ready, we will choose an output settings to decontaminate colors and output to a new layer with a layer mask so that it can be editable. We click on OK. After that, we will see how our object appears without a green background, to which we can apply another background with a layer underneath if we want. A second option to achieve this selection faster if you have more recent versions is to use the Object Selection tool. With it, we will be able to click on the object we want, and it will be selected quickly. With this option, we can also enter the Select menu and mask and improve the selection as we have seen previously. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After that, we will see how our object appears without a green background, to which we can apply another background with a layer underneath if we want. The last quickest option to remove the green background is to click on our layer and then go to its Properties menu. Here we will see the quick action of Remove Background that will remove the green background from the image quickly, and thus be able to add another one if we want. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.